Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Clearstream Securities Services. Review my usage experience. Clearstream Securities Services Review My Usage Experience offers secure and efficient post-trade processing services for financial institutions. Its main purpose is to streamline the settlement, custody, and other post-trade processes for securities. Key features likely include settlement services, custody solutions, and corporate actions processing. Their website provides details on specific offerings. Clearstream positions itself as a leading provider of post-trade infrastructure, emphasizing security and efficiency. They highlight their global reach and comprehensive service offerings. Their website details pricing, although specific costs vary depending on the services utilized. The technology behind Clearstream is sophisticated, leveraging advanced systems for secure and accurate processing. Availability is global, and details can be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Clearstream Securities Services. For context, I work at a mid-sized investment firm, and we recently integrated Clearstream for our post-trade processing. Getting started involved a fairly lengthy onboarding process, about 3 months, which included several meetings with their implementation team. Navigating the interface was initially challenging. It's a very robust system with many features. However, after a few weeks of training and practice, I became comfortable using the core functionalities, such as initiating settlements and managing corporate actions. The reporting tools are excellent, generating customized reports is straightforward, and the data quality is consistently high. The system's performance has been consistently reliable and fast. I had a quick question about a specific settlement process, and their support responded within 2 business days via email, prompt and helpful. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the reporting features are. The standout feature for me was definitely the robust reconciliation tools. One minor drawback was the steep learning curve. It took some time to become proficient with the system. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Clearstream Securities Services. It's a powerful and reliable system, though the initial implementation and training phase requires significant commitment. That's my overview of Clearstream Securities Services. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.